Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 GLE 63S Coupe. This one is iridium silver metallic. Underneath the hood is a 5.5 V8 bi-turbo pushing out 577 horsepower and 561 pounds of torque. This one has 22-inch AMG wheels. The tires are in good condition. The AMG night package with the high gloss black accents on the front, side, and rear. Black exclusive Napa leather with gray stitching interior with a natural grain brown ash wood trim. Panorama sunroof. Rear climate controls. Spoiler. AMG GLE 63S badging. Power liftgate. Clean set of floor mats. Fold down rear seats. Cargo cover. Premium 3 package with driver's assistance package, active blind spot assist, Bang & Olufsen sound system, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, parking assistance package with front and rear sensors, hard keys for a media display, heated cooled seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, dynamic select for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This GLE 63 has 6,390 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 63S, check out feldmanimports.com.